Too many lawyers in football, baseball's got a few. The pitcher got $1 million and the quarterback, he got $2. Pitcher threw his arm away and the quarterback burned his knees. And this they did so they could live the American dream. Now there are some preachers on TV with a suit and a tie and a vest. They want you to send your money to the Lord, but they give you their address. 'Cause all of your donations are completely tax-free. God bless you all, but most of all, send your money. Do you really want it? Do you really need it? You gotta keep on grinding just to try to keep it. You got no time for yourself, you got more for old Jim Beam. You're going crazy dreaming the American dream. Reagan is a-cutting the budget, making the Democrats scream. Says we gotta control inflation, quit spending our money on everything. But this year's tax increase, why, it's the biggest in history. Round and around we go, where we stop, who knows, the American dream. Do we really want it? Do you really need it? We gotta keep on grinding just to try to keep it. We got no time for ourselves and more for old Jim Beam. We're going crazy dreaming the American dream. We're going crazy dreaming the American dream. Hail to the chief. Hell yes.